reporting framework is tightly integrated into the Salesforce platform. To add Reports tab to the application, I can go to Create Applications and add Reports and Dashboards to the Recruiting app. One needs to have access to the report builder on the profile to be able to build reports. Salesforce provides a couple of standard reports out of the box related to sales and call center applications. As you can see, there are a whole bunch of standard reports that are available out of the box related to leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, cases, etc. You can choose to use them or build something from ground up. There are 4 different kinds of reports you can build: tabular, summary, matrix, and join. Tabular reports are simplest and fastest way to look at data. Similar to a spreadsheet, they consist of an ordered set of fields and columns, with each matching record listed in a row. Tabular reports are best for creating lists of records. They can't be used to create groups of data or charts. I would like to pull out a tabular report on the position object to figure out how many positions have been created by me in the last 3 months. To create a report on the custom object, choose Other Report Types, and I'll select Positions. In case the report type is not available, that means we haven't enabled reporting on that object. Now, I'm on the report builder. I can drag and drop all the fields that I'm interested in. And then apply filters like create a date is between September and December. And show me all the positions that I own. Now, I have a report showing how many positions I have created in the last 3 months. You can even sort the records in ascending or descending order. Once I'm done building the report, I can save the report to a folder and share it with people who need it. When a report is shared with a user and that user does not have access to records due to security settings like organization-wide defaults, then the user will not be able to see the records in that report. Sometimes, you would also like to have a report pulled out every week and emailed to a couple of users. To tackle such requirements, you can schedule a report for future runs. You can select the people that need to get this email and set the frequency for how long you want this report to be scheduled. The running user takes into account all the security settings like organization-wide defaults, sharing rules, manual sharing, and role hierarchy, and pulls out only the records that are visible for the running user. The report data can also be exported to a CSV or an Excel file. Let me now talk about a summary report. Summary reports are very similar to tabular reports, but also allow users to group rows of data, view subtotals, and create charts. They can be used as a source report for dashboard components. This is a report where you can group records by some criteria. For example, I would like to see all the position records grouped by function area. Let me select the report type as Summary Report. I can see the drop zone where I can drop the field that I want to group by. Drag function area into the drop zone. You can see how the records are nicely grouped by the function area. There are so many records in IT, sales, marketing, etc. You can also do subgrouping if you want. Let me try dropping in the job level into the drop zone. Now, the records are not only grouped, but also subgrouped by job level. I used up 2 levels of grouping. You can go 1 more level deep. Sometimes, you would also like to group records by salary range. I would like to group the position records into three: low level, mid level, and high level based on the minimum pay. If the minimum pay is less than 40,000, I would consider low paying, 40 to 70,000 mid level, and greater than 70,000 as high level. To tackle this requirement, I can bucket the minimum pay field, call it pay level, and define these three pay levels. Less than 40,000, I'll call it low level, 40 to 70 mid level, and greater than 70,000 high level, and save this. I can drop the bucket field into the drop zone, and you can see how the records are nicely grouped by pay levels. If you're interested in looking at the average pay at every group level, you can choose to display that as well. You can also display sum, min, max, and average at every group level. I can even build a chart using the report information. Select the type of chart. It could be horizontal or vertical bar chart, pie chart, donut, or even a funnel. I want to see a pie chart display all the position records grouped by the pay level. I can preview the chart and even customize it and save. Summary report is the most popular form of reporting on this platform. In the next lecture, let's talk about matrix and giant reports.